Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to find and replace to fix extra spaces. First of all, simply open your Word document. As you can see, this is my Word document. Now here, to fix the spaces, extra spaces, first of all you need to do is to open and find and replace dialog box. To find the replace box, you can simply click here. You will find the replace. The shortcut of the replace box is to simply click Ctrl H and simply click on double space here. It will search in your document. As you can see, there are the double spaces. It will show where are the double spaces in the document, or you can also find triple spaces, as you can see. Now to replace with them, simply go here and put on single space and replace it with the single space, and that's how you fix the spacing in your document. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.